How you doing, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. What I want to show you is 6 Yale locks. These are just for my collection. So let's start off this one here. This here is a Yale. It's a K200. Now I'm going to show you this here. Let's see. All right. Now this here totally brand new. And that's the key button on it there. Now, if anybody's ever seen my channel and they've seen me before, I also have another one. Now this year was sent over to me by a good friend of mine called Chaz. And I got this about a year and a half ago. And as you can see, there's no wee green band around the bottom compared to this one here. That's it there. Now, that's the K200. Then I went and I bought this one here. This is the Yale K100. I hope this keys will work. Yep. Dead shackle. Beautiful lock. Beautiful, beautiful lock. Now, that's the K100. Now, I have here the K300. So we've got the K300, K200, and the K100. That completes, I think, the Yale K collection. So that's that one on the road. Now, I got this one here. This is a beautiful, beautiful old vintage Yale. Now, the shackle here, it's got a wee bit of a, as you can see, it's not quite round here, so it's not. It's just got a wee bit of wear and tear on this here. Now, this is a big, big lock. Beautiful lock. That's the key button on there. This is the original key and everything. So now that thing is big. To give you an idea, it's even bigger than the K200. As you can see, it's a big, big lock. So you can get the idea of it. Right, another one I want to show you. This wee dinky Yale here. It's a beautiful one as well. An old vintage one, so I've got that there. And that's the key button on it. It's not focusing right for some reason. That's that one out. Then I bought this one here, and I thought it was dinky as well. Now it has an ordinary pin tumbler key, which is beautiful. Original key and everything. There's a quite spring in this, I don't remember. See? If that was a bigger lock, boys, not there sprung out, you would break your fingers. Brilliant lock. Right. Now, the last one. Now, this is wee Yale Junior. This here is basically a suitcase lock. And not even a good one at that. But it's Yale. So this is a lever lock, by the way. On the sides of it. It is so small. I'd say I think going to be no more than 35mm. That's the wee lever lock, got the key on it. So I think that's 6 locks here. Yep, 1, 2, 3. That's 6 locks. So everybody, thank you very much for tuning in here. As I say, I have that many locks on this table here. I'm starting to look like I end up with a Murdoch's table here. A good friend of mine. So everybody, thank you very much, and I will see you shortly again. Bye bye.